Vlogmas day 25. It's Christmas Eve here and I am going to be posting this tomorrow on Christmas Day, so happy Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, to everyone who watched, and I really enjoyed it. I learned so much. It's been brilliant, and thank you so much for all the likes and comments and all the feedback. It's been absolutely brilliant. I've loved every second. So we're now off out with some friends, as we always do on Christmas Eve. But yeah, I'm hoping to post a little roundup before New Year's. But if I don't see you before then, have a lovely Christmas and I'll see you in the new year. Okay. This is my skirt. I have the circle skirt, and then I made an overskirt with lots of different layers, and it's actually out of the bits that were cut off. So the semicircle that was cut out, this is the end bit here. You can see it's sticking out there, and then I just sewed other bits and pieces into the back on a ribbon, and that's under my Umid Kutluk leather obi belt. And then I have just a bodysuit, polo neck bodysuit, or a little turtleneck, and some feather, just a little feather shrug, I suppose you call it. And yeah. And I have my Kurt Geiger new shoes that I got in Kildare Village with my sister. I love the heels. And then my hair is a very light pink, and I have the some Christian Siriano earrings from TK Maxx.